Hey guys, welcome to the CSS Master Course. In this video, our topic is CSS Color. CSS colors provide a way to style HTML elements with various colors. They can be specified in several ways, including using predefined color names, hexadecimal notation, RGB values, RGBA values, HSL values, and HSLA values. Here's an explanation of each. First is predefined color names. CSS defines a set of color names that you can use directly. Examples include red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, orange, etc. These color names are easy to use and remember. Example is predefined color, color, red, background color, blue. Second is hexadecimal notation. Hexadecimal colors are represented by a hash symbol, a hash followed by 6 hexadecimal digits. Each pair of digits represents the intensity of the red, green, and blue components of the color, respectively. Values range from 000 to FF255 for each component. Example is hex-color, color, hash FF0000, background color, hash 00FF00. Third is RGB values. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. It represents colors using 3 numerical values, each ranging from 0 to 255, that specify the intensity of each color component. Example is RGB-color, color, RGB, 255, 0, 0, background color, RGB, 0, 255, 0. Fourth is RGBA values. RGBA is similar to RGB but includes an additional parameter for alpha, transparency. The alpha value ranges from 0, completely transparent, to 1, completely opaque. Example is rgba-color, color, rgba, 255, 0, 0, 0.5, background color, rgba, 0, 255, 0, 0.7. Fifth is HSL values. HSL stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Hue is represented as an angle from 0 to 360 degrees, where 0 and 360 represent red, 120 represents green, and 240 represents blue. Saturation and lightness are represented as percentages. Example is HSL-color, color, HSL, 0, 100%, 50%, background color, HSL, 120, 100%, 50%. Sixth is HSLA values. Similar to HSL, HSLA includes an additional parameter for alpha, transparency. Example is hsla-color, color, SLA, 0, 100%, 50%, 0.5, asterisk red with 50% transparency asterisk. Background color, SLA, 120, 100%, 50%, 0.7, asterisk green with 70% transparency asterisk. Using these color representations, you have a wide range of options to style your HTML elements with colors that suit your design needs. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.